Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Among Us with my friend. Remember Usher from the last video?
Hey guys.
Yeah, he's there and we're playing Among Us together. Just a regular game of Among Us. Alright, what's happening in tech? You're sus, Red. Yeah, the memes say it. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna start. Alright, mute. Mute. Alright, let's just unmute. It's better. Alright. Let's just talk. Alright. Alright, I trust you. I'm gonna look. Alright. Oh, I have medbay scan. Alright. Alright. You wanna see it? Are you looking?
Yes, I'm looking.
Actually, oh wait, no. That's not medbay. Oh, that was the inspect sample. Oh, that was the inspect. No, that was actually the inspect sample. My bad.
Dude, you trying to kill me?
Well, no, I won't. I'm not even the imposter, dude. I'm not. Dude, I'm not. Okay. Purple. Then, I guess. Ah, that hurt my ears. Ah. 25. Oh my god, stop. White good. Ah, you're so loud. But I have to do it because. Alright, yeah, perp sus. I'm purple. I'm voting purple. Nice. Alright. Okay. Look. Alright, hey nurse. Can I have a phone? Because I'm trying to play some Among Us. You know. Ooh, he was an imposter. Ooh. Ow. Alright. Ooh, reactor. Yeah, I'm. Hey, how much a cam? Nothing. Ow! That hurt. Alright, blue safe. Oh, blue left. I don't know. He did shields. Hi, newbie. Yeah, blue safe. Ah! Oh god, the door's closed. Oh, yay! It's open. Alright. Where are you? Alright, whatever. Alright. Good to know. Okay, what? 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 Don't say that. Cyan? Proof? Bro, he just... Proof? Dark blue... Safe. Dark blue safe. Alright, I guess cyan. Mr. Kool-Aid Man and Newbie are best friends. Okay. Red made cyan. And he's saying red. Yeah, cyan's sus though. Stop it. Alright. Shh. Oh god. And so is red. Oh my god. Dude, you have no proof. Gosh. Oh no, I saw so. Cool. No, they didn't. No, orange was in cafeteria, dude. Let's see. The black killed white. No. Liar. He is sus. Red. 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 Red, red, red. Red, 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 red. It's red. It's literally red. It's red. He's vented. It's red. He vented in front of me. Yes, it's a tie. It's literally red. No joke, it's red. I'll see. Where? It's red. Has to be. It has to be. He vented. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. Yes, you did, liar. God, I hate them. I never got it in front of Imposter Dub on YouTube. I'm gonna start it. Don't use that voice. GG. Good game, good game, good game, good game. Good game, good game, good game, good game. Alright, my hat. I'm gonna say hi to YouTube. I'm bored, that's why. Say hi to YouTube. Crewmate. Alright. Oh, I have medbay skin. Don't. Okay. You do it. No, I'm at electrical doing tasks. Who killed you? Yeah, just tell me, dude. Tell me. Lie. You're cringy. Alright. Hold up. Guys, I'm gonna come back. Alright, guys, I'm back. Oh, wait, Lime didn't go? It's orange. Wait, how? You're not on phone? How are you on phone? I'm gonna start. I'm bored. Dang it. I'm not gonna do any tasks today. I'm not doing any tasks. No proof. Where are you? Why not? Oh, movie. Orange. Oh, stop. 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 Stop it, please. I was in navigation, noob. Noobers to you, dude. It's only one imposter. Cool.